Hey, I'm out here in the Great Swamp Conservancy today. There's way out on the Cross Main Street Trail. How do I turn this around? Oh, that wasn't it. It's stuck in that mode. Walking the dogs. Good frozen day. And I'm droning. Droning. Up we go. There's Sherrill in the morning. Wonder what it'd look like. Alright. All done. And I'm flying backwards in the drone. Fly, 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 fly. What's over here? There's that pond thing. Got a little thing that makes the water higher or lower. Over this way-ish. Oh, guess over that way. Oh, I don't know if I can fly that far. There's a waterfall. Hey, look at that solar panel thing. Well, that's interesting. Never knew that was over there that I know of. Just a stream. The stream is... Oh, is that it? There it is. So up the stream, going that way, is a waterfall. Oh, wow, it really comes closer to the building than I ever thought. Oh, not gonna make it. Come on back. Here I am over by the Sherrill DPW, looking at their waterfall. Try to fly back a little. Nothing over there to smack into. Yep, that's the Sherrill waterfall. There's the power and light over there. Scoot back down. Yep, cool.